Welcome to your self-love Askformations meditation. Askformations are positive present tense questions that you pose to the universe. Askformations can create a change in your reality from the inside out, because the ego cannot spoil these questions with doubt. The ego simply cannot answer these questions, and there's no need to find the answer. The universe will provide all the answers in miraculous ways. Try these Askformations for 21 days and observe the change from within you. Why am I worthy of love, respect, and compassion just as I am? How am I able to love and accept myself so easily? Why am I deserving of happiness just because I exist? Why am I so capable of achieving anything I set my mind to? Why do I always have everything I need within me to be happy? Why do I love myself unconditionally? Why am I always easily loved and supported by those around me? Why am I worthy of all good things life has to offer simply by existing? Why do I love myself just as I am? How am I choosing to be kind to myself? Why am I my own best friend? Why is it so natural to love every part of me? Why am I grateful to be the person I am? How am I able to honor myself with love and respect? Why am I appreciative of all the ways I am unique? Why am I able to freely take up space? Why am I strong enough to make my own decisions? How am I always in control of how I respond to others? Why am I so good at learning and growing? How am I able to be so courageous? Why am I so successful at showing myself love? How am I easily grateful for my uniqueness? How did I create the life I want? Why do I feel empowered by my thoughts and beliefs I choose? Why am I surrounded by love and support? How did I let go of negative thoughts and emotions? Why am I free to be me? Why do I always see my beauty inside and out? How do I approve of myself just as I am? Why do I feel perfect just as I am? Why do I feel valuable and deserving of love? Why do I feel whole and complete just by being me? Why am I enough just as I exist right now? How did I create the life I love? Why am I open to receiving love and support freely? How am I able to radiate love? How do I always trust myself and my intuition? Why am I so resilient and brave? How do I know I am worthy of a fulfilling life and unconditional love, just as I am? How am I able to forgive myself so easily? How do I know I am wise and insightful? Why do I love myself unconditionally? Why do I choose self-acceptance and self-love so easily? Why do I feel safe, secure, and protected? How did I become so healthy mentally, emotionally, and physically? How did I become so open to receiving and giving unconditionally? Why do I love myself unconditionally? How am I able to accept myself just as I am? Why am I so grateful to be the person I am? Why am I worthy of all good things life has to offer simply by existing? Why am I deserving of happiness just because I exist? Why am I enough just as I exist right now? How do I know I am worthy of a fulfilling life and unconditional love simply because I exist?